Kathak is a classical form of dance. We have 8 classical forms of dances in India. Now Kathak, the term Kathak comes from a Sanskrit term which is called Katha. Katha is a story, and Kathakars are storytellers. So this term Kathak comes from Katha and Kathakar, where a dancer narrates a story through her expressions, hand movements and footwork. Kathak belongs to 3 schools of dances. One is Lucknow, the other is Jaipur, and the third one is Varanasi. So these are the 3 schools of Kathak dance. But Lucknow school is considered to be the most superior. Because primarily, Vajradhari Shah particularly had a lot of interest in performing arts, dance, music, and so he gave great patronage to this art form in Lucknow. The first performance is describing the nature. She will be praying the nature and praising the nature and telling you through her dance form all the elements of nature. The rain, the sun, the storm, everything will be presented in a dance form. So this is a first kind of a prayer that she will be presenting visually through her dance.
Lord Shiva is the god of destruction who represents anger. And this representation is presented in Rashmi's dance in Shiv Vandana, where she will be representing all the aspects or the personality of Lord Shiva. I will show you a picture of Lord Shiva, which will... Now this is Lord Shiva, and Rashmi has enacted Lord Shiva, a god who has absorbed all the venom on earth into himself. This is the anger of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is the god who brings Mother Ganges to earth through his mane. Lord Shiva has wrapped snakes around his neck. And Rashmi, how has Lord Shiva wrapped a snake? This is the snake. The Lord Shiva has earrings made of a snake. How do you represent the earrings made of snake? So this is the way Lord Shiva's personality has been described in this dance form of Kathak, which is Shiv Vandana.
Sufism is a mystical branch of Islam which believes in direct connection with God. Usually when we see religion, so there is a mediator basically in any religion. But Sufism believes that there is a love between the believer and the God. And